Want to earn hundreds of dollars on purchases you already make every day? Today, I'm sharing my top 5 favorite cashback apps that'll put money back in your bank account to save, spend, or invest. Hi, I'm Carrie, a business owner and a digital nomad, and welcome to the Upside channel. I've teamed up with Upside to share personal finance tips and easy ways to earn and save in daily life. We could all button up our personal finances and earn a little bit more, so subscribe to learn the best ways to do just that. Cashback apps are a great way to make extra money on things you buy. And by the way, the apps I'm talking about today are not in any particular order. And to really maximize your earnings, I recommend using multiple apps that cover most of your purchases. I'll break down each of these apps, how they work, where you can earn, and how to cash out. And make sure to watch until the end because I've spent the last few years using tons of cashback apps, and these are the most helpful ones from my experience. Let's get started. First on the list is Ibotta, a cashback app platform that lets you earn cashback online, in the app, or in store. They partner with brands including Walmart, Petco, Target, and Lowe's. So if you have a big home project coming up and need a bunch of supplies, buy your Lowe's items through Ibotta so you can get cash back. Even though they do have some in-store offers, in my experience, you usually have to buy online or through the app in order to get the rewards, like the offers at Lowe's, Walmart, and Sam's Club, and Ulta. To get cash back on groceries, you need to add each item and buy online for pickup or delivery. I personally do enjoy going to the grocery store sometimes and finding new items, so I generally use Ibotta for bigger one-time purchases. So how does it work? Ibotta connects your existing loyalty programs to the retailer's loyalty program. So you actually need to set up a loyalty account with the store in order to connect it to Ibotta. That's kind of a downside for me sometimes because I really don't want to create loyalty accounts for every single retailer. I already have enough passwords to remember. So how much can you earn with Ibotta? According to CNBC, the average Ibotta user earns around 10 to 20 bucks per month, depending on how much you spend. But if you're spending on something like a home project, you could earn over $100 in a single month. For example, if you have a $1,000 home project at Lowe's and you earn 2% cash back, that's $20. That's pretty decent and pays for some of tax. You can cash out with gift cards, PayPal, or straight to your bank account after you've hit a $20 threshold. And once you've reached that threshold, you can send a referral code to friends and family. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos on earning and saving smarter. Next up is my favorite app on the list, Upside. Upside is a cashback app that specializes in everyday purchases and necessities like gas, restaurants, and groceries rather than in retail. They're partnered with over 30,000 gas stations and over 50,000 total locations, including restaurants and grocery stores across the country. And this number is growing. The Upside app is super easy to use. After you download the app, just link the credit or debit cards that you regularly use and you're ready to start earning. In the app, select the cashback offer and location and tap claim offer. Then shop the same as you normally do at any location and pay with any card that you've added to the app. Just check into the location when you're ready to shop or fill up, then tap the button to let Upside know that you've paid. And in a few days, you'll see cash in your Upside app. Unlike Ibotta, there's no threshold for cashing out via PayPal, e-gift cards, or directly into your bank account. With Upside, in most cases, you actually don't even need to scan any receipts. Thank goodness, because either I always forget to get the receipt or it ends up crumpled at the bottom of my purse. So how much can you actually earn with Upside? Well, generally, you can earn up to 45% cashback on restaurants, up to 30% cashback on groceries, and up to 25 cents per gallon cashback on gas. And when you download and sign up with the promo code YouTube, you'll get an extra 25 cents per gallon off your first gas fill up. There's a link in the description below. Because I'm nomading, I usually spend around $400 each month on restaurants and at least 2 tanks of gas, which cost around $100. So I end up earning over $80 to $100 a month with Upside, and that's not including their lifetime referral bonuses. More on that later. I'm an Upside super user. Obviously, I'm on this channel, so I always try to get gas and take out and eat at places that are on the app when possible, and it really does pay off. According to Upside, frequent users earn an average of $340 a year, and if you eat out or get takeout a lot or you drive a lot for delivery, Uber, Lyft, or you're a truck driver, you can earn over $100 in a single month, and that's just from buying the exact same things you are already buying. If your company pays for gas or food, link your company card and you can get the rewards. And like other cashback apps, you can use your gas or store loyalty programs like the Shell rewards with the Upside app. One of my favorite things about Upside is their excellent referral program that gives you unlimited referral bonuses. After your referral earns cash back on their first purchase of $10 or more, you'll earn a bonus and 1 cent for every gallon they buy in the future. Every time a friend gets gas, it's like finding a dollar on the ground. Literally, I feel that same childlike joy every time. To learn more, watch my video about Upside and how it works, linked in the description. And currently, grocery is a growing area in the Upside app, but even so, I end up using Upside because no receipts. It doesn't require having a loyalty account at any of the retailers, and it lines up with what I spend the most on, aka it lines up with my expenses. Speaking of expenses, I just published a video on how I budget and how I make sure I'm hitting my financial goals. So if you need to get your spending and saving in order, watch that video after this one. All right, on to the next app, Fetch. With Fetch, you can earn reward points with hundreds of brands and redeem gift cards at popular retailers like beauty brands, grocery stores, pet stores, health and wellness companies, and more. Fetch does not offer actual cash back that you can withdraw into your bank account or PayPal. So a more technical term for Fetch would be an app that rewards you in gift cards for future purchases at your favorite brands. I always save and redeem all of my points for Airbnb gift cards, and I'll share why in a sec. But speaking of which, I just published a video on how to save money while traveling, including Airbnb, so make sure to check it out after this one. Okay, so how does Fetch work? With Fetch, you don't have to shop at a specific store to earn points, but you do have to upload a receipt from any in-person or online shopping trip, or you can connect your online shopping accounts that'll log your e-receipts. So basically, it scans for eligible items and rewards you with points for anything that it finds an offer for. You can also earn additional points by finding offers in the app. But no matter how much you spend on the shopping trip, each receipt you upload will give you a minimum of 25 points. Fetch's referral program gives both you and your referral 100 points. You can also get a 3,000 point bonus on your first qualifying receipt and a 1,300 point bonus on your second. It's also worth noting that Fetch's point system can make it seem like you're earning a lot more than you actually are. And to be honest, it's a bit tricky to keep the conversion between point and dollar value straight. For example, 1,000 points is only equal to about $1. You can see how it can take a while to earn enough points to really make a dent. And that's why I just pick one reward like Airbnb and then put all my points towards it. Plus, with Fetch, you won't always know how much you're gonna earn on each purchase, since more often than not, you're manually uploading receipts after you make the purchase. So remember those receipts. Since rewards come in the form of gift cards, you're earning points towards future shopping rather than earning actual cash. But if you buy a lot of products from their partner brands or are shopping for a big household item, the points do have the potential to rack up. On to the next, Dosh. So Dosh is another app that does not require any planning ahead to earn the money. Like Fetch, they have in-app offers that give you more points, but they also check your purchases for qualifying rewards. And unlike Fetch, you can get actual money that you can cash out through your bank, Venmo, or PayPal. Dosh offers up to 40% cash back for travel accommodations, and you can book your hotel directly through the Dosh app. I really appreciate this because of how much I travel, and for every single friend who signs up with your code and makes a purchase with one of Dosh's merchant partners, you both earn $10. But honestly, nothing beats the unlimited referral bonuses with Upside. And the downside with Dosh is that they only accept Visa, MasterCard, and American Express as qualifying linked cards. So if you use Discover, Citi, Chase, or Capital One, or really any other brand of cards, you won't be able to digitally link your purchases and have to add them manually. Nowadays, I mainly use my Chase Reserve travel credit card, so I haven't been able to earn as much lately with Dosh, but overall, it's really great for people who make regular retail purchases, take Lyfts, Ubers, travel for fun or business, or order food delivery. All right, the last cashback service is Rakuten, and it's most commonly known for its Chrome browser extension. Rakuten's biggest cashback offers are for retail shopping like clothing, cosmetics, travel, or goods like tech and office supplies. I personally like to use it when I'm buying a big clothing purchase or big tech items where I'll be spending a lot. At the very least, their cashback offers can usually cover shipping and taxes. Their referral program offers a one-time $30 sign-up bonus for you and anyone who signs up with your code, but they have to make a purchase within 90 days. So Rakuten primarily operates as a tool for online shopping, but you can add your credit card and debit card and then earn cash back in store as well. This means you have to choose your offers before you shop, and it can take up to 3 business days for the store to process your cashback request. But then you can cash out via PayPal or check mail to your address. Again, this is a tool mainly used for retail purchases, so you might not get a lot of use from it if you're mainly spending on things like gas, food, and groceries. Now that we've covered them all, the one question remains: which of these apps should you use? Well, it's ultimately about what you spend your money on and whether you can remember to keep and photograph all of your receipts. But you can use all of these apps at the same time if you want and see which ones you're actually earning the most money with and which ones are just taking up space in your phone. It's all up to your preferences and the way you shop. But something I do want to note is that if you are prone to impulse buying and are trying to be more intentional about your spending, some of these apps I mentioned today might create more problems than it solves. But Upside is different because it saves you money on things that you already have to purchase every day or every week, rather than incentivizing you to purchase things that you don't necessarily need or you just buy because there's a deal. Download the free Upside app today and get an extra 25 cents per gallon bonus on your next gas fill up. Just enter the promo code YouTube when you sign up. The link's in the description. We have tons of videos coming out on personal finance, more ways to earn and save. So subscribe, hit that bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Carrie, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy earning.